Cheese.
No, it's recording. It's a video. Can you say hi to Grandma?
Hi, Grandma.
Say hi, Trey.
Hi, Mama.
Say hi, Kay.
Mama.
So what are we going to do right now?
Hey, open.
We're going to open... What are we going to do?
Open the box.
What's up, blocks? We're going to open the package from Grandma, right?
Yeah, the package. What's this in there?
Okay. There's Lonnie. Okay, ready, guys?
Yes.
Okay, let's open the package from Grandma. Ooh. This one, too. Okay, let's see. Oh, who do you think that's for?
Lonnie.
That's for Lonnie? Okay, why don't you take them out? Why don't you guys take them out?
Another candy.
Nice job.
I got one.
You got one?
Another. Whoa. Trey too.
Oh,
Whoa.
what's that?
That's pretty.
That's pretty.
Yeah.
That's it. So I think there's one for each of you guys. Look, this one's for me and Dad.
Yeah.
Oh, look at these. Look what Grandma got you.
Mommy.
You want to open it? What do you say, Trey? I'll say thank you, Grandma.
I want to open these.
That's mine. Can you say thank you, Grandma?
Thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandma.
Mommy, can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Okay.
Hey, Mommy, I can open this
All right,
for
go ahead
you.
and open mine.
I can open for you.
Oh, Trey's going to open his.
I can open for you. Mommy.
You want to open it?
No, that's for you.
Okay. Can you guys say bye to Grandma? Oh,
Bye,
hey,
Grandma.
love. You didn't even ask if you could eat that.
Please, I have to.
Well, can you save it till after we eat lunch? Can you guys say thank you and bye?
Thank you, bye.
Say it again. I didn't get you.
Thank you, bye.
Okay, say thank you and bye.
Bye, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, bye. Mommy, please, I have
Tracer.
to.
Thanks, Mom. Love you.
You